Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my latest completed project, and I have been working on these Christmas stockings and I'm really pleased with how they turned out. And this is a pattern by the Turtle Trunk, and it is a YouTube video that I watched, and it is called the Crochet Cottage Stocking Tutorial. And for both of these stockings I used a size K crochet hook. Now the stocking on the right, I used the Lion brand Scarfie yarn that I had. And it is really simple to make. You start at the toe and you work your way up, and after you get up so far about midway, then you will add the heel in. And then once you complete the heel, then you move on up and you'll end with finishing with the cuff of the sock. But when I did this one, I used the inside and the outside of the skein, because once you get up so high with this stocking and you're getting ready to add the heel, you leave your main color attached. And I just wanted to use the Scarfie yarn on this. So for the main color, I used the inside of the skein, and when I got ready to do the heel, I just began crocheting with the outside of the skein. So it was really simple to make. And on this one, I think the white color is Red Heart Super Saver. I got it at the thrift store and it didn't have a tag on it, so I'm not sure. But the main color, red, that is the Red Heart with Love. And that color is in, I think it's Hollyberry. And it's really simple to make. As you begin to crochet, it is just a series of alternating double crochet with front post double crochet. And once you get up so far and you get ready to begin working on the heel, you just leave your main color attached. And then you can use your contrasting color, and after you complete the heel, your main color is still attached, and you'll begin to continue on up. And then when you get up to the cuff, you'll again go to your contrast color. But these were really simple to make, and let me get my list here. I have the measurements for these. So hold on just a second, let me get my list. Okay, now the length of these, the height of these is like 14 inches. From here to here is approximately 14 inches. And the width of it, I think, was like maybe about 6 inches. But it's a very good size stocking. If I back up and you can kind of see my hand up against the stockings, you can kind of see, what the size is. They're not little bitty. They're a nice size. If you wanted to put stuff in them, you can see it's a good size. If you wanted to hang them and put little Christmas goodies or whatever in them. But I really enjoyed making this pattern. It was very simple, and since I was using a size K crochet hook, it went really fast. And even working on the heel was simple. It was simple to do. So if you like this pattern, I'm going to put the information in the description box below, and so you can check out the tutorial for yourself if you think you would like to make one of these. But they were really fun and simple to make. But thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.